told me to stay, said I can learn here through art and play. My mind is clear, now I see what I can be. There'll be a time I'll be more creative, using my skills to show what I am making for the world, for all to see. I'll stand with pride, I'll learn each day through dance and art. I'll find my way, I'm not confused, I understand. Creativity, it helps me stand. I always will. I know I'm just slowly growing, but now I see, and now I'm knowing to create, to express and to explore. Art is not just skills we show, it helps our mind and hearts to grow. Now I see